Now, section size is very important. It shouldn't be any thicker than one of the fingers that you're cutting hair with because you control the haircut. So it's different for everybody. Some people that have bigger fingers, they can take bigger sections. But what you have to keep in mind, guys, is the head shape curves. It turns. So if the section is too big, you will use unnecessary overdirection into the center of that section because when you pull hair out, it goes into that tiny crack in between your fingers. So if you're working sections through and those sections are being pinched into the center of each section, when you cross-check, you're going to have a mountain range all the way throughout that line. That means you've created a bunch of corners, all right? Now, corners don't disappear when you cut them off. They actually multiply. Erin, let's look at this one. So I have a corner right here, yeah? So if I take this and I cut that off, look, I've got 1, 2 corners now. Corners don't disappear when you cut them off. They just move and they multiply. It's kind of like gremlins. You fed them after midnight, you know? So be careful with that.